Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga, picture ni Dustin Yu at saka ni David Licauco sa shooting to ng Pulang Araw. At ito'y kununa ng May 3, si Dustin Yu na partners in crime lagi ni David sa inuman, gimikan at pagkasama si Asungot. Ganon. And next naman ay post ni Genre, mukhang design to sa sa hotel. Sabi niya, Sundays with Barbie Fortesa. Ayan nga, napaka-pretty si Barbie Fortesa sa hotel with her stylist Genre. At yun naman, gawa ni Cordelia, isang pinaka-follow natin sa tour. Grabe, ang cute ni Barang dito, no? Parang Hollywood actress. Tapos si David naman, parang si Jung Hae-in ng Snowdrop, diba? Grabe. At yun na nga, edit ni Cordelia. Ang cute ng Barbie talaga, grabe. So pretty. Next naman ay post ng Bench. Freshen up your vibe with this look from David Licauco, relaxed, dapper, and also charming. Polo is 1,199.75 and shorts is 799.75. At yun na nga, ang napakagwapong si David Licauco na medyo nakakapanghinayang kung mapupunta lang kay Asungot. Charot. Ang bitter ko, no? Ayan na nga, napakagwapong si David. Ayan na nga. At ito nga ay nirepost niya sa Facebook. At ito naman ay nakita ko sa Facebook din. Ayan. Nagpapakute ang baby, very big baby boy na si David Licauco. Na medyo nakasimat pero cute pa din naman. Ayan. At tinakpan yung ng unan para hindi siya ng halataan. Yan. Magang-maga yung labi ni David. At thank you sa effort ng mga fans. Borda Day ngayon guys, it's May 5. At nag-trending kanina umaga si David Licauco at si Barbie Fortesa. At nag-trending nung alas 3 si Barbie at saka yung Borda sa top trends. At ngayon namang gabi, actually, at ngayon nga around 8:40 ay trending pa rin si Barbie Fortesa. At ito nga yung multiple Happy Birthday greetings ni Barbie at saka ni David dati. Let's watch.
Hi to all our Feline supporters! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
At ayun na nga, may pa-article ang Twitter. Sabi, fans of popular love team Barbie Fortesa and David Licauco celebrated Barda Day by taking to social media to share heartfelt messages, well wishes, and creative posts in honor of the duo. The event, which trended in various platforms, highlighted the strong bond between the actors and the dedicated fan base, showcasing the impact of their on-screen chemistry and talent. So yun na nga, kahit walang ginawa yung GMA7 para i-promote yung Barda Day, wala silang nilabas na ayuda, at saka hindi naman tunit ni Barbie, hindi rin naman tunit ni David, at saka wala rin naman silang greeting na tweet or video man lang ng Happy Barda Day, ay nag-trending pa rin ang Happy Barda Day dahil sa mga fans. Thank you sa mga fans. Sana man lang nagpa-thank you sila kahit paano, di ba? Para mas masaya, di ba? I dare you. Sana pag napanood nila yung video na to, naman sila, gumawa na silang video ng Happy Barda Day. Sana mali ako na wala silang ginawa today. Anyway, ito yung speech post ni James Licauco sa kanyang Instagram. As my journey as an athlete representing the blue and white comes to close, I'm left with nothing but the good memories the past season has brought me. These are the stories I would tell my future children. I was not recruited, nor did I have experience to play in the big leagues. All I had was a dream. I work and work and work until I could say that I deserve to be here. No one really talks about the mental struggle of all of it. The doubt, the fear, but now I stand with my head held high with. To all my supporters, family and friends, thank you. You believe in me when I failed to do so. Has not been the easiest of the journeys, but it has made me stronger in more ways than one. Without you, I would not have gotten through. Now I can finally say that I have lived through the UAAP dream. What a feat it is to be given such a privilege. All you. Thank you, 8586. This has been number 7 of the Ateneo men's basketball team. All love, always. Ayun na nga, dahil pag-graduate na ang gwapong si James, ay ito na yung last season niya. At masaya naman kami at maganda yung last season ni James kaysa last year. So, yan, napakagwapo at napaka-cute ni James. Ikaw. So actually, pwede nga mag-showbiz si James. O kaya influencer siya sa TikTok, ganyan. Yung mga Instagram, pwede siyang ganon. O kaya, mag-guest siya sa Abot Kami ng Pangarap, mga ganyan. Anyway, okay, I would like to share the No Stress Love teams katulad ng Don Bell. Sabi niya, Link, pwede ba kitang itanan? Ay, napakaganda ng picture. Walang ganyan si Barbie at si David, no? At saka ito, tinarga ba naman si Bell ni Donnie ng paganyan, di ba? Parang Dirty Dancing. Grabe. I so love it. Ayan, may paglipad si Bell. Kinaya niyo yun? So that is what I love about ABS-CBN Love Team. So, talagang professional, wala yung kinabukasan may date yung jowa niya, may date yung jowa ni boy, may date yung jowa ni girl, ganon, mga pasakit, puro pahirap sa mga fans, ganyan, yung mga sa mga IG, nakikita yung braso, kasama nung jowa, mga ganyan, di ba? Kunwari low-key, hindi naman, tapos may video na magkasama sa mall, di ba? Nakakagigil yung mga ganon, pero yung sa mga channel 2, Don Bell, pati yung yung Snorin, it's so nice. At saka walang stress yung mga fans talaga. Ang saya-saya. Sana yung Barda maging ganyan din, no? Bago man lang sila, paghiwalayin ng GMA7 na mukhang wala namang pake masyado sa, sa popularity ng Barda. Although, yung Barda daw, ang number 1 na nag-akit ng pera sa GMA last year. So, mukhang wala naman silang pake kahit na matibag to. Dahil wala naman silang effort na ginagawa. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!